Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing of Grove Collaborative. So I thought I'd bring you guys along because I need to get to cleaning here soon. I probably actually won't do it until tomorrow morning. Today is Friday when I'm filming this. I don't know when this is going to be posted. And I don't have a ton of things in this package, but enough. Sorry, I know the noise is sometimes annoying. Let me just put this on the floor and try to pull things out of it. Okay, so I got some more of this daily shower. This is the Method Daily Shower. I love this stuff. I do use it in the shower. When I get out of the shower, I just spray it down and leave it. So that works very well. Helps to keep it clean. Don't really have to scrub a dub-dub with that. This is new. This is, or new to me, this is the 7th generation disinfectant spray. So this is kind of like Lysol. It kills 99.99%, except for it's supposed to be a little safer. And their packaging is different. It used to be blue stickery stuff. Now it says Grove Collaborative. So I am going to spray this. I like how it has an open and a close. Let's spray it. Ooh, that smells very nice. Lavender, vanilla, and thyme is the one I got. Ooh, it doesn't smell anything like Lysol at all. I love the lock on the, it's super easy to do with one finger. I love that. That's nice. That will probably be a repurchase. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and then this is also a repurchase. This is laundry detergent. This one is, where's the scent? This one is lavender scent. It's right in front of me, right there, guys. I did not see it forever. So this is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Laundry. This uses 64, this is 64 loads. And I like it because it's concentrated, so I can give it to my daughter in college, and she can easily use it without having to worry too much. I could give it to my son. I could give it to, my husband can use it. We can all use it. I mean, it's great. I love that it is compact and easy to use. And it smells terrific. It smells clean, lightly lavender scented. This is a repurchase. You guys will love this. This one was a freebie. It is the honeysuckle scent room freshener. I have used their room fresheners before. My husband loves them. He likes room freshener a little more than I do. It too has an on-off thing for the pulley switch, and you just spray. There it goes. And it's a light, nice light mist. The honeysuckle smells really good. It is really, that's very nice. Ooh, I like this one a lot. So, and this is a freebie. I'm a VIP person. Like, I don't know how that works, but I do their VIP program, and with that you get freebies if you spend a certain amount, and this was my freebie. Oh, I also got some foaming hand soap concentrate and lemon eucalyptus and mint. I have not tried this yet. This is made by Grove Collaborative. This is their brand. And this says more than 97% bio-based, and this is approximately 3 refills to their soap dispenser thing, and I will show you that because I got one of those as well. I don't know if this is the one that I got. I don't know. But this is watermelon scent hand soap. I thought this would be fun for the springish, summer probably, but ooh, that smells really good. My favorite is their lavender, but this is really good. It smells like a watermelon candy. I am very impressed. Very impressed with that. My husband loves, loves, loves this. Cedar and Cypress body wash. Highly recommend. He loves it, and I try to keep him in stock. He goes through, I don't know, maybe one a month, maybe not that many. And I try to, when he uses one, I just order a second one. And I always keep one in the oh, what's it called? In the cabinet, bathroom cabinet. Lavender. This one's my favorite. So I think I did get this to refill this size. So I don't know if it's the same. I think it must be. It's foaming hand soap concentrate. And so with this, you mix it, twist off your cap of your foaming hand soap concentrate, dispense into a glass foaming hand soap bottle, and fill to the soap line. Oh, they do have a glass bottle, but I didn't use it. I didn't get it. So I'm just going to have to do it in this plastic one and figure it out. I'm not worried. And I think that's everything. All right, so that's it. It's amazing to me that I didn't buy any of the daily cleaner because I don't really need it, but I love that stuff. That is probably my favorite product from Grove Collaborative, but they all are really great, and I would highly recommend this company. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.